Hey guys, today we're going to be trying to fix this backlight on this TV. It's a Samsung UN55J6201AF. So we're getting the common issue right here to where the backlight is not turning on. You can see a picture on the screen, but you need a bright flashlight to see it. So what we're going to do first is start taking it apart. I got a little cup right here so I don't lose all the screws. Looks like there's a total of 9 screws. And this guy right here should just lift off and slide out just a bit. So one thing you don't want to do is, of course, touch this power supply right now. These capacitors, especially if you just unplugged it, are not discharged. So be very careful when in this area right here. See, some tape's been pulled off. Maybe somebody's already tried to diagnose this TV. I am not sure. First, we make sure everything's tight, because, like I said, it looks like somebody's already been in here before. Interesting. Okay. So one thing we're going to do is go ahead and plug it in. So again, be very careful with this if you just unplugged it, but this board here is going to be live once we get this done, once we get this on. Okay. So just really quick, I want to see if I can show you what I'm talking about. Got my little flashlight right here, pretty bright. I'm gonna go ahead and set it up. Looks like the power button's over here on this side, so one thing right here. I really doubt you can see it, but I can see a faint picture, especially whenever I press the menu button right here. I don't know if you can see that. Hopefully you can. Let's go ahead and lay it back down. So let's just go ahead and unplug this. Again, be careful right here. Everything's going to be live. Even after you unplug it, these capacitors are still charged. Give them a little while to discharge. Need a little bit of help, so I'm gonna go ahead and get my little tweaker right here. And when doing this, be sure that you realize that this panel is going to come out with it as well. You don't want to damage that at all. If you do, then your TV is pretty much going to be shot, even if you get the backlight fixed. Looks like there's a couple of tabs right here, so let's see if we can get you in here. These guys right here. 1, 2. I think our speakers are still plugged in, so let's go ahead and unplug these guys. Actually, that was not the speaker, that was the joystick that controls the menu. Be very gentle because it is perforated. You don't want to damage it. It'll make your light, when it diffuses, go all wonky. That wasn't even plugged in all the way. Wouldn't that be something that feels that simple? That would be crazy. You know what, just for grins, let's see real quick. It's on. We didn't even do anything yet. That one connection was loose. It wasn't pushed all the way in. That's something, isn't it? So I guess the next question is, let's get it back together and make sure it still works. One bad thing is I broke this one. Bottom of the TV. So one thing I'm going to do, I got some super glue right over here. One thing about this glue is if it does not work, it's going to be a pain to get this thing out. Put a little dab, I don't want to put too much to make it too hard on myself in case it doesn't go right. Sit there and hold it for a second. My main thing is try to get all these fingerprints off the edges, because once you get the screen on or the bezel, then it's going to be really hard to get inside these edges. You still might see them. Alright, moment of truth. Let's see if that actually fixed it or not. You guys tell me. I won't be able to see it right away. Looks like we're good. Unplug it. Let's finish reassembling this guy. And we should be good to go. Now right here, I really don't recommend using the impact drill, but that is your own doing. Just be careful not to strip it. Looks like everything works. Let's go ahead and make sure we didn't mess up any joysticks or other picture lines. That backlight is pretty dark. Alright guys, there you have it.